ANTSPACE HK3 V6 is a standardized, intelligent, and integrated container manufactured by Bitmain with 2 years of product development. It is designed especially for hydrocooling mining. ANTSPACE HK3 V6 not only improves the reliability and service life of Antminers, but also accelerates and shortens the ROI cycle of operations. It has low power consumption, high integration, and intelligent system, and can be used with Ant-Sentry to achieve scalable operation and management. Developed for global environmental adaptation, Bitmain has launched the various cooling modules of ANTSPACE HK3 V6, including plate heat exchanger, dry wet tower, and dry tower. The ANTSPACE HK3 V6 plate heat exchanger does not require additional floor space and can be directly added into the original container, making installation simple, convenient, and easy for scalability. The cooling module supports various water qualities such as seawater, lake water, river water, industrial wastewater. The cooling module can also recycle heat from municipal heating. A single plate heat exchanger can provide over 1,000 kilowatt of heat, sufficient to support heating for a 16-story building with an approximate area of 23,000 square meters, making the plate heat exchange module a cost-effective solution. ANTSPACE HK3 V6 Dry Tower can achieve waterless mining and is suitable for mining in areas with scarce water resources. The dry tower adopts a 20 high cube standardized container, and the heat dissipation capacity is better in locations with lower ambient temperatures. The maximum ambient temperature supported is less than or equal to 30 degrees Celsius. The dry tower dissipates heat through fans, employing a simplified control logic solution and high overall reliability. ANTSPACE HK3 V6 Dry Wet Tower is adaptable to dry and wet operating conditions. The water consumption of the container is efficient, and it is suitable for areas with moderate water resources. After testing, more than 85% of the regions in the world can use dry wet towers with an average annual water consumption of less than 0.7 cubic meters per hour. Only less than 5% of regions use the solution with an average annual water consumption of more than 1 cubic meter per hour. For most locations, dry wet towers can achieve a full temperature range coverage with a small amount of water through its spraying function. To improve the global adaptability of the ANTSPACE HK3 V6, Bitmain has equipped it with 3 thermal components to enhance product reliability throughout its life cycle. With ANTSPACE HK3 V6, Bitmain will implement the vision of creating a better digital world.